Hey guys, welcome back. Today we have a little surprise. They were born
a while ago.
A couple days ago maybe, or a couple weeks maybe?
No, like a lot of weeks ago because she hid her kittens.
You just said it.
Oh, dang it. I'm sorry, people. I spoiled it.
Well,
hold on, let me turn on the other light.
Here, can you, grab some of them out.
Can that one work? Can you pull that chain?
That one, the longer one?
Not that one.
Okay, I'm gonna
God.
It won't move. No. Okay.
Oh well. I'll grab one.
Just
now.
grab the other one that's not one of those. Bring it over here. Okay. Set it down.
This one is not explored, so I don't think.
Okay. Kittens!
And you can go on my channel and see that mama kitty.
What's your channel?
Oh, Karen Macy's Fun Time.
Karen Macy's Fun Time.
You can see that big mama cat as a kitten. I'm sorry, I woke you. I can't get...
Well, there's the mama cat. Let's see where the other thing is.
Hold on.
Okay, it's eating right now. It's eating right now. This pup. Okay, we might as well just tell you right now what it is. It is a puppy.
It's this brown one right here. So,
well, basically, it's the puppy's mom is named Bonnie.
Yeah, but that's the runt, and Bonnie did not want to take care of her, so she was biting.
So my aunt, which is her mom, grabbed the puppy because Bonnie was biting.
Oh, you done?
She grabbed it, and then this nice kitten or kitty cat is now taking care of it. So I'm gonna upload this video real quick, and then we'll do another video on the puppy. Bye.
Look, the kids even play with it when it disturbs them.
It's still recording.
Oh, you are?
Yeah, I'm gonna just grab it out, hurry, before the video ends.
Here she is. Oh, I'm sorry, puppy.
What's its name? Their eyes are not open yet.
Yeah, that's when she abandoned it. Wait.
It just opened its eyes.
The eyes are open. We have to go see the other puppies. I'm sorry, little one. Go back in there.
We gotta go see him.
Okay, bye, cat.
The puppy's eyes are open. That puppy's eyes just kept open.
You guys pull them open?
No, we set it on top of the cage, and then it opened its eyes real quick. Oh my God, that's loud music. Light doesn't work.
Yeah, eat your chicken.
Yeah, eat that, not your puppies. Well, here's the ginormous puppy dog named Bonnie. And hold on.
Their eyes ain't open, surprisingly.
Let me try to get them. Let me try to see.
Look, see that one right here? Its eyes ain't open.
Try to grab one. Well, it's sleeping.
Well,
that one's waking up. Grab it. Grab it.
Oh, I gotta get my phone out. Sorry. Little puppy, I need you to wake up. Come here, everyone. I'm sorry.
Sorry, we gotta put you in the video.
Say hi.
Here, you put the puppy right here.
I have to hold her position. It's okay, I'm here.
I stole her light. Or I just stole her phone.
Yeah, her eyes are open. How dare you? You dropped her.
You're trying to land it on a blanket.
I opened just a tiny bit.
Oops. Oops, there's chat. It's on mine.
You see?
And then,
No.
there you go. Crawl back.
Wrong way.
Well, it basically has no eyes.
There you go. Go crawl up again. Sorry, other puppies.
Okay. There you go. Oh, there's just a little puppy and kitty reveal.
Yeah. And Bonnie is so skinny. It's really bad.
Bonnie was a big fat puppy, and then she had puppies.
Yeah. I wish we saw her as a puppy, but we got her as a grown dog because she.
Bonnie, say hi to YouTube. Bonnie, say hi to YouTube. Say hi to YouTube. Don't eat your food. Say hi to YouTube. Well, I guess you don't want to say hi to YouTube.
Making noise.
I think we're gonna end this video here with a beep.
That's not a beep. There it is.
Bye.